national, local, and international. Ito yung naman siguro sa Facebook. Ano kasi yung mga nakakawa ng community. So, isa sa mga program ko ngayon na accomplishment is Miss Short Philippines as well as the one who's competing for international Alexi groups for Miss Ito International and for HPE Pilipinas. Daniel Garden, yung Daniel Garden. Yung napanood ko siya, please get into you. Ito sa her pala, yung love story of the and then as well as ngayon ay si Miss Pasay, yung Miss Universe, ay yung maaral natin. Si Amanda Dunso, mas ay student. So talagang first na po sa Miss. Okay. So, let me know your name. Hindi ba bago? So, ako na lang kapag-introduce kay Lara. Si Lara was one of my students before. Tapos nag-alam mo mabuti kay Nabunan. Okay. So, si Lara. And then, may sinasaya na yung mga ano pangalan? Oh? Alaysa. Alaysa. How old are you? 9. Trisha. Trisha has competed for national university. Ano Trisha po doon? So, walang exclusivity. Okay, this is one of my students back in Capsule University. Name mo ba rin? Shaira. Are you going to compete for this year? Okay. Tomorrow, kabalik ka. So, walang magaling specifically for Capsule. Belisario. Sabi daw, kung walang speaking forecast, siya. Pero kung hindi, okay? Rosie, how old are you? 20. And? 20. Ilan pang learning? Okay, well. Pero matatag siya first. So, there's a lot of your students kasi need tayo start, tandaan nyo, life doesn't stop pag you start. Minsan, mabagal lang ang progress, ito sobrang bilis. So, okay na tayo. Okay, so this is Trisha, Lara, Alaysa, then Trisha, Rosie, and Faith. So, work up muna tayo sa head, 1, 2, 3, 4, Rosie, back everything, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the next down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up, center down, and so waist, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8, sideways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Then turn up. Arms behind your ears, legs to the wall. Okay. First things first, we're doing this. Embrace yourself in what way? Accept everything. You're lost. Kung alam mo ba tabakit yung dito mo, ngayon siya i-scan na tabakit yung dito ko. Medyo ba nakibraso ko? On that part, is that motivation to start to move. So, ano gagawin ko? I work up with my heart, with my arms. So, bring my ears, and touch your back. Okay, and then, rest over your head. Get the proper head position to the inside. Okay, close your close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and reverse. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and reverse, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and up, touch your back, and side. Wala bang set ka mo before? Set ka. Wala bang skinny? May function of origin this year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tapos wala search ngayon ako. Unpick. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And go. Dito yung double yan. And go. Reach tayo. Make sure you're bending sideways. Reach the foot. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop your knee. 5, 6, 7, 8. And to it up. Make your head close over sa kabila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up. This is the bottom side. Okay, bottom side. Shut back up. And then 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1, high squat. 2, look at yourself. 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and up. And then equal speed. Okay, palm. Remember back and push yourself. Do the ass. 5, 6, 7, up. And up. Inhale. Exhale and open. Okay. Grab your seat ball. So, 5, 7. And sleep tonight. You're going to bend your knees forward half. And sleep position. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flat back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. And down. And up. And down. And up. Down. And sleep. Okay. Touch your fingers. Up. And tiptoe. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're running. 5, 6, 7, down. And down. Hindi tayo lang, pero kapag tayo 5, 6, 7, and go up. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6,